Trying to get that NL Brock intake coming in so I can repipe all this stuff here. I'm not a big fan of this Procharger tubing. Everything else has been installed fine. The intake will be NL Brock. All the piping will be done. I get a new blow-off valve coming in. Give it a Procharger blow-off valve. All these things will be repiped from Pegasus tubes. Make quality of stuff. So all the restrictions, all this stuff will be all eliminated for better performance. I got the quiet helical gears. Spent an extra $100. So I don't have to hear a box of rocks. Right now, exhaust is a stock, just long tubes with Flowmaster. American Racing headers, 1 7/8. Tires are Needle Grapplers G2s, 3 or 5. They slow me down a lot. I think the next time I will go to Continentals or better all performance tires, all season. Wheels are Hostile Rage. Got a pretty good deal on the wheels. It was $2,400 out the door from Extreme Customs. This is the Tradesman model. As I stated in my previous video, I'll be doing a J Green Procharger cam. Hopefully I start doing it next week when I get time. Thanks for watching. I'll update you soon, guys.